This video is a tour of the Warner Brothers production lot. So this happened while I was in LA, and these are just some clips of some other studios nearby, but this video specifically is about Warner Brothers. So the way we got this tour, we were in LA, me and Jasmine, we were in LA the weekend of the Oscars, and we went to a bar to watch like a watch party of the Oscars, and we met a whole bunch of people there, and one person, she actually works at Warner Brothers, and we like got to talking, and she just invited us to go tour the lot. And so, of course, we said yes.
Do they film these here?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
And like, I knew what it meant, but at the same time, I didn't know what it meant. So I don't know. I've never seen stuff like this before. So this was really cool for me to see. So stay tuned, because in this video, we're going to see things about Abbott Elementary, Gilmore Girls, Sinners, Fuller House, Paradise, like a lot of big shows and movies were filmed here, obviously. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Part of it, I'm going to be talking, and then part of it, our tour guide will be talking. So hope you enjoy the video.
Some like random facts about this place.
Okay.
But one interesting thing about the Warner Brothers, like the guys who actually founded this place, is that everything they built here, they built with the intention of having it do like double duty. So like this, for example, is intentionally made to look like a motel.
Yeah.
Like it looks like kind of a shitty motel. It's supposed to.
So
but
they
it also
film there as well.
Yeah, exactly. So it doubles as like offices for writers and production. My building has been used as like a DMV or a library, but that's actually where we have like all of our like the majority of like Warner Brothers TV, like people who work on like in the casting and like production and all that stuff, like the business side.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what that is. So here's the jungle.
Okay.
So we filmed like a lot of camp scenes. All American is shot here. Pretty Little Liars is shot here. Supernatural.
I see Pretty Little Liars. I mean, I don't see it, but like I could see
how
like
a
scene from it, like when they're finding A or.
If at any time you guys want to like get off and like walk around, just let me know if there's anything that like interests you. Because that whole thing, like they've shot interior in there, and it's like the camp kind of like check-in area, and there are like fake showers. That I think was used as like maybe even a talent show location for All American, like on the inside, because there's like a little stage. Here is our man-made lake. I've only ever seen it filled up once, and that was when they were shooting the Big Bang Theory spinoff called Stuart Fails to Save the Universe. But yeah, they fill it up whenever they need their little lake. It's been a lot of really cool stuff has happened here.
That's so cool.
Yeah, right? This is one of my, I just love working on this. Have any of you guys seen Jurassic Park?
Yes.
Okay. So it's very unassuming, but this little like strip of land from like right there to like here was shot, it was used for the scene where the T-Rex was like chasing them in the rear view mirror, like while they were being chased in the Jeep.
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah. That was like right over here. And then here we're entering Warner Village. Yeah, this is the suburbs. Again, doubles as like writer production offices or other like just offices for teams that we need.
So you said a show that's on Netflix will use the lots?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Warner Brothers TV Studio, we're the sellers of shows. So we sell to distributors like Netflix, Apple TV, Paramount Plus, CBS, ABC, NBC. So for example, like Abbott Elementary is our show. We sold it to ABC to be distributed by them.
Okay.
So it's like we make it, they distribute it. Yeah.
Gotcha.
And then this is just like a corporate office, but I've seen it be turned into the exterior of a hospital.
It looks like a hospital.
Yeah, right?
It's
yeah.
hospital vibes.
Yeah, they've used it. I've seen Shrinking shot over here.
Okay.
The external, and then I've also seen All American be shot over here. I think it was season 8 that they were filming where they had this be a hospital. I don't know, have you guys ever seen All American?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, that was shot.
Is anything being shot today?
Maybe not shooting actively, but they are like making things actively. So like Georgie and Mandy shoots here on the lot. Abbott Elementary just wrapped a little while ago. The Pit just wrapped a little while ago. Leanne is still shooting on the lot. Yeah, so this is typically what our sound stages look like. You'll see a lot more of them. And each of the stages have like a little plaque that tells you like what successful TV shows and movies. Yeah, you've been to like lots before, I'm sure.
Yeah.
She has. I haven't.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry.
No
Yes,
worries,
please.
no worries.
The West Wing.
Yeah.
Nice.
Whenever a show does really well, they tend to name the stage after. So like Friends was shot here, so we have a Friends stage. Big Bang Theory was shot here, and Two and a Half Men. Yeah. So check
All the long running shows.
Yes. Yeah.
Men. You're not even paying attention. Girl, you got
I see it.
Okay.
I do see it.
If you guys want to
Abbott.
get out and take a picture, I'm more than happy to.
I would.
Yeah.
I love Abbott.
I am a huge Abbott Elementary fan. Fun fact, in the next video is going to be like the actual vlog of LA. And in that video, me and Jasmine and Nia, we saw Jacob from Abbott Elementary. And it was so cool. But yeah, I'm a huge Abbott fan. And during the tour, they also mentioned Gregory's garden is real.
So I don't know if you guys have ever seen Introducing Dorothy Dandridge, but there was a scene in there where Halle Berry's character Dorothy has like her movie premiere, and it was shot right here. And then I believe the premiere for, if you guys ever watched Friends, that was also shot here because Joey's character had a premiere. And then here, if you're an All American fan,
That's the restaurant that he went to,
like
or
the bakery cafe.
Oh man.
That's the spot. Also, the basketball court that we drove by, that was built because George Clooney, who was the star of ER at the time, he liked to play basketball. So so they built a basketball court for him, and then him and Jaleel White, played Urkel, would play basketball during dates and stuff. And here is the Friends water fountain. Do not plop on that couch though, because that couch is like a very hard replica. The actual couch is in the Smithsonian. And it's funny, if you watch the opening of Friends as well, you'll even notice the background of the lights and everything when you watch the intro to the Friends, the fake New York backdrop.
It is hard. Yeah.
Yep. That's why I was like, please don't flop. Cute.
Sneak behind you.
Take your time. We're almost done.
Don't worry.
Here, for the Gilmore Girls fan,
Is that Luke's Diner?
That is Luke's Diner.
Oh my gosh. Because as soon as Parents opened, I was like, that's the Gilmore Girls set.
Yep. I was like, that gazebo is the dead giveaway. If at any spot you want to take like a photo, please let me know. Yeah?
I haven't seen them either.
They're good shows. So I just watched Gilmore Girls last year.
For the first time?
For the first time. Everyone always talks about it.
Yep.
And I'm like, you know what? Let me just give it a shot. And I was like, I actually really liked it.
Okay. I mean, after watching Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, I think I might like Gilmore Girls. That was right. That was a good show. But I did kind of fall off. I think it was like after season 3.
Yeah.
So I was like, I kind of feel like I should finish it all the way through, but
How many seasons did it have?
I think 5. Paradise was shot here. Obviously, Gilmore Girls. So just wanted to ask, do you guys recognize this house? Very famous multicam from the 90s. Set in San Francisco.
It's not a
Full House.
It is.
But the funny thing is that they actually built this for Fuller House. So because Full House never had any exterior shots.
Yeah.
So when they had the reboot on Netflix, that's when they built the replica.
Oh.
Do you recognize that house?
Which one?
This one.
The blue one.
Give us a hint.
It's something that she's been talking about.
I've been talking
Yeah,
about.
that you've been talking about.
Oh man. Oh, that's the Paradise House?
No.
No, that's not Paradise.
That's Lorelai Gilmore's house.
Stop.
That is. Yeah, let's go.
I'm so like all over the place because it seems like she had so much land and the shed was like on the side.
TV magic.
Yeah, I know. TV magic, right?
Lori was right here and like Lorelai
Lorelai.
came running down.
Yes.
Yeah. But this is the stuff. This is the house. During the winter kind of Stars Hollow thing they do every year, they decorate this. They reset it as Lorelai's house. Still not familiar?
Yes. Wait. So this is the front of the house in the show?
I don't know. I've never seen it, but I just know this is the backyard. But it's possible that it was the front of the house. This is the front of the house.
I knew I wasn't crazy. I was like,
oh,
this is the front of the house. She parked her Jeep right here. That's the shed. Okay.
Oh, okay. So it's backwards.
They shot it backwards.
Oh, okay.
I see it now. Because I was like, there was more layer. Like, she parked her Jeep.
For the most part, they really don't have ceilings because they have to let in like a lot of air to keep the equipment from overheating the cameras. A lot of times when they're in the kitchen and they're like pumping water, usually it's because they have like a little like tank outside and like somebody's like putting water in there because they're not actually connected to any plumbing. And then some houses have like a second floor, but usually most of the time the actors are just like waiting around the corner on the wings.
Yeah.
So this is a part of the like paid tour that you can do when you go to the Warner Brothers lot. So they have a lot of things about Friends. Fun fact, I've never actually seen Friends. So yeah, don't judge me. But this shows there's a lot of like costumes from different shows and movies. So this is Sinners, obviously. So they have all of the costumes from the main characters. The only costume that wasn't here was what's her name? Caroline? No. Perline? Perline, is that her name? Preacher Boy's girlfriend, if you want to call her that, from the movie. Her costume was not there because it was borrowed for the performance during the Oscars. Because, like I said, we were here during the Oscar weekend. So her costume wasn't there, but all the other main characters were there. Here you can see like Cornbread's costume, and then Delta Slim, I forgot his name. And then Sammy's costume as well, and the guitar. So yeah, this was super cool. I love Sinners. I was super happy that Michael won. I was rooting for him. This is not scenes, but things from All American, which I actually haven't seen. And this is some storyboard from The Matrix. So there's a lot of like really cool things in here. We were kind of going fast because our tour guide works there and she was doing this like on maybe her lunch break. So we didn't have a lot of time in here, but if you ever go, like take your time and see everything. So these are some costumes from Crazy Rich Asians. Great movie that I think they're turning that into a TV show. And then also costumes from the movie Selena.
The Marlon and Sean Wayans.
Oh, wow.
We're brothers.
Oh yeah, we're sinking and we're colored. Do 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 do. Give me a high five.
Signed scripts of the pilot and then the part 2 series finale.
So like I said, I've never actually seen Friends, but I wanted to include this because I know there's a lot of Friends like lovers out there. So I wanted to include these things for y'all. They also have a lot of different like photo op moments when you do the tour. So there's things for Friends. This is a section about like the classic movies, like the black and white movies. Was that Casablanca? Was that it? I know these costumes are from My Fair Lady, but there's a lot of things in here. They also have a huge section for The Big Bang Theory. I didn't get a lot of footage from there because we had to keep moving, but there's a lot of Batman things, a lot of Harry Potter things. So make sure you have plenty of time when you do the tour. And then it ends with a gift shop, of course, but it's like a Friends themed gift shop. So plenty of options for you if you are a fan of Friends. And I just wanted to show like how all these things are like so close together. Like that's the high school from, it's either Gilmore Girls or Pretty Little Liars. I can't remember. But behind that is the fountain from Friends. And then right beside that, like now we're back at Abbott. So it's cool how all these shows and movies are like so close together. But when you actually watch it, it feels like, their own little world.
Oh, you know what? So I think I was rewatching Friends, and the first season I saw a scene where Joey, Chandler, and Ross filmed right over here, and I was like, I know exactly where that is on the lot, and it's just like, this looks so it's cool just being able to point that stuff out.
Yeah.
So this is part of our New York. One thing I want to flag is the fire escapes. These trees are fake. They just added them. But the fire escapes, have you ever seen the movie Annie? The one from with Carol Burnett and like way back? So It's a Hard Knock Life number, the exterior where they're like spinning on the fire escapes and stuff, that was shot right over there. So I've had a friend of mine, she actually pulled up the video and she was like, yep, I see it. A really famous, like iconic 80s movie with an iconic 80s artist was shot over here, like the cover photo.
Wait, Michael Jackson?
Not Michael.
Okay.
The movie she was talking about was Purple Rain, a movie I actually haven't seen, even though I do love that song. And this spot right here is actually from Spider-Man, the first Spider-Man movie, the kissing scene, the upside down kissing scene. That's where they filmed that. I had so much fun on this tour, so thank you for giving us a chance to see everything behind the scenes and letting me film everything. We were really grateful for the opportunity, so thank you, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Next video will be my entire vlog of while I was out in LA, so see you in the next video.